Hey everyone, Alex Ionescu here. Welcome to Investors Guide to the Galaxy. Cathie Wood's ARK Invest fund bought more Tesla shares worth of $18.5 million. Tom Tzu has been promoted to take charge of Tesla's US assembly factories and sales operations in North America and Europe. Although before we start, if you find this video helpful, it would mean a lot to me if you crash that like button and subscribe to my channel. It's totally free and takes just a split second. Now let's dive right into it. Tesla stock price. Yesterday down 12%, today in pre-market up 1%, past year down 72%, past 5 years up 412%. Tesla to present Generation 3 platform at Investors Day in March 2023. Tesla's new car platform will be more cost-effective and require half the effort to produce it. The Generation 3 platform will be presented at Investors Day in March 2023, the company said. Tesla customers, investors, and fans have been waiting for some time for the company to introduce a new car model that will be cheaper than the current ones. Obviously, this will be a new platform, different from the one on which Model 3 and Model Y are built. On Monday, Tesla announced that it will hold an Investors Day on 1st of March 2023, where it will share interesting updates. Among other things, the company is going to discuss the Generation 3 platform with its investors, which is an extremely long-awaited talk. Tom Tzu to take charge of Tesla's US factories and operations in North America and Europe. Tesla's global vice president and general manager for the Greater China region, Tom Tzu, has been promoted to take charge of Tesla's US assembly factories and sales operations in North America and Europe, according to rumors. The news comes amid information that he is in the US and is no longer the legal representative of Tesla in China. According to the information, the previous head of Tesla in China will become the second after the head of the company, Elon Musk, in the future, according to the Frankfurter Allgemeine Zeitung, citing Reuters. Now Tom Tzu, in addition to his previous role, is the top manager of Tesla's US plants, which include Giga Texas and the Fremont factory, as well as the head of sales operations for North America and Europe. Under Musk's leadership, he now oversees the company's operation around the world, according to reports. Some Wall Street analysts think Tesla's deliveries miss, spelling trouble for the electric vehicle maker, but others see a buying opportunity for the company in 2023. Who do you think bought more Tesla stock yesterday, when the stock was down 12%? Tesla bull Cathie Wood from ARK Invest, of course. On 3rd of January 2023, Cathie Wood bought Tesla shares worth of $18.5 million for ARK Invest funds. That's 176,000 shares of Tesla stock. In the last 34 days, she bought $76 million worth of Tesla stock. I'd like to know your opinion on all of this. Please leave a comment below. If you like this video, please smash that like button so that other people like you see this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I appreciate all of you that watch my videos. See you next time.